Yes, I'm gonna show you with the light on. I'm gonna show you without the light off, people. So that's the mackerel right there. The tomato sauce. Yeah, so this ain't gonna be no full video because I never feel like putting no video about this, but just a little clippings, peeps. So just to show you. Yes, people. So hope y'all enjoy. Here's a piece. I'm cook some Jamaican mackerel and tomato sauce. You can see, not a full video, this gonna be a little shots. But yes, peeps, the mackerel finish. So I'm gonna show you with the light on bright, and I'm gonna show you with the light on dark. And some boiled dumpling. You want to cook some pumpkin too, but the pumpkin what I got is turned, so I couldn't cook it turned. I gotta wait until the pumpkin ripe first. So yeah, some boiled dumpling. Even though I ain't perfect at making my dumpling, yeah, I ain't perfect at making my dumpling like some people, or some people make them boiled dumpling well perfect. And there's me mackerel over here, so in tomato sauce. I cut up how I prepare this. I cut up onion, I cut up Hiberno pepper, also known as hot yellow Scotch bonnet hot pepper, and I season with my garlic powder, black pepper, a little tip of salt. You know, the dumpling I made the dough from scratch. You know, I'm gonna show you all how to make that one day if you don't know how to make Jamaican dumpling to the people who don't know how to make it. So boiled dumpling. So yes, so my Scotch bonnet pepper, my onion, and my season salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Yes, people. So I'm saying this is not a full video. I'm just showing y'all how my Jamaica grace mackerel in tomato sauce look with boiled dumpling. Yeah, so simple little dish, you know. You can keep eat for dinner in Jamaica. You know, something quick you can have for lunch too also. So I hope you all enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the Flossy cooking family. Blessings, my people. See you on my next video.